It's 125.
I'm liking it. So yeah.
Oh, next side.
I'm gonna put it in my YouTube video. So yeah, I'm doing such a good job. Y'all see that? Like, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, All About Kendra. I'm Kendra and I'm back with a video. My 15-month lock update. Let's check. December, January, February, March. Almost 16 months. It'll be 16 months in April. I have a little clip in the front before this portion starts showing you where my locks are, the length, what they look like. And then I went and got this protective style, the Havana Twist, that I am freaking loving. They are so cute. And so for the season, yeah, I did this makeup look just to do this video, and I'm feeling I'm really cute. Maybe I could have blended a little more, but my eyeshadow, my makeup, my face makeup is blended to the guys. But anyway, it is really cute, so I'm feeling myself on this camera. So I really don't have much to say about my locks other than the products I've been using, because for a while I was just neglecting my hair. That's one of the reasons why I opted to do a lot of protective styling now, is because I wasn't doing anything. I wasn't wrapping my hair up. I wasn't oiling my scalp. I wasn't moisturizing. I was barely washing my hair. I've been going through it, y'all. I'm still going through it, but I was going through it, okay? And my locks were reflecting my mood. But I went to Shea Locs here in Georgia. That's where I got my hair done. Shout out to Keisha. I went to the one on Blvd. She did my hair. It took about 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours for her to do my hair. I have an undercut, and I went that morning. I got the back of my hair cut, and then she installed the Havana Twist for me. She did some of the gold accents string, and then I put a couple more in yesterday and some jewelry. But yeah, she had recommended to me after, that's Judy, y'all hear. She had recommended to me after viewing my locks that my locks were basically really dry, which I knew because, like I said, I was neglecting my locks. They were really dry. And also, she also said that because of the color, the texture of my hair and the color, my hair was starting to kind of break, like the color was drying my hair out, which if I had taken better care of my hair, then I probably could have prevented it. But like I said, I was going through it. Oh, and y'all see I have braces. I got my braces in January. That's another video, but it caused me to talk a little funny sometimes, so yeah. But yeah, so she told me that my hair was dry, and that basically all I needed was to get me a shampoo and conditioner with a moisturizer in it, a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, so that I could start to repair my locks. Don't put any more color on it. So I colored my hair, and then I only did another application of color when it started to get dull. So I only colored my hair twice. I bleached it once and colored it twice. And yeah, that's where I'm at now. I only had one lock that was thinning from the roots when she went through to do the consult and see the health of my locks. And she was like, basically, that's it. Other than that, your locks are fine. They're just extremely dry. So you need to start replenishing and restoring moisture to your locks. So she recommended that I go out and buy moisturizing shampoo, and it's like a herbal shop right next to Shea's Locs, the one on Blvd. So I went and I got this one, and I think it was like $10. And then I also got, well, maybe, yeah. And then I got the conditioner as well. And that's what I've been using. I had washed my locks before I went, and of course she did a treatment and stuff for me, so that's what I've been using. She also recommended that I use this tea tree Jamaican black castor oil, so I also picked that up, and it was like $10 as well, so about $30 for the whole the set of shampoo and conditioner and the oil. And then to maintain this style that I have, I'm going to her this Friday so that she can kind of just do some, you know, some scalp treatment. Nothing too much. I really just want her to slay my edges, because when she first did my hair, she slayed my edges, and I'm not an edge slayer, but I want my edges slayed again. So she gonna help my scalp out and then slay my edges, and she might do like a little style or whatever. But what I've been using to maintain my protective style, take care of my hair up under this as well as this hair, is yesterday I took some tea tree oil and I went through and kind of like greased my scalp and moisturized. And first I have some tea tree oil and just a regular old spray bottle. I sprayed that throughout the length, well, not really the whole length, but like from here to here of I don't know why I went all the way down here, but you know what I'm saying. I sprayed the Havana Twist, and then of course I sprayed my scalp. Then I went through with this and kind of just greased my scalp and massaged it in. And then I took some of the oil as well, because I couldn't find the one that I use when I have sew-ins or wigs. And I took it and I rubbed it from top to bottom of throughout the twist to give them this shine. And then for my edges, I use the argan oil, Style and Shine foaming mousse. And I really just do that to kind of see how I want my edges. And then I go on top of that with the, y'all, this is only something that you can get through Shea Locs. They have to order it. It's called Congo Professional, infused with mango and olive oil. When I tell you, this is the best edge slayer I've ever had in my life. But I go on top of the foam, and then I lay my edges with a toothbrush, and that's really how I've been rocking. At night, I really have been trying, even with this protective style, to cover it up, because normally I just go to sleep with my locks and I go to sleep with this for the most part. But I have the big oversized bunny, and I also have one of those big lock caps for longer locks, and that's what I use. And I just go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and I'm good to go. So that's really all I could say. I'm being nosy, of course. That's really all I can say about my locks, because like I said, I have been neglecting them, but I have seen growth overall. I've seen a lot of growth. Even though I've been neglecting my locks, they have still been growing. They probably, yeah, they've still been growing. Like, my hair was growing. So yeah, I've seen definitely a length difference. Other than that, everything is still the same. So I'm sorry this wasn't as informative, it being my 15-16 month lock update, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.